Hey guys, it's Bobby here, and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020. And this is going to be tip number 5, doing your video research with TubeBuddy or VidIQ. Okay, and in this case, and VidIQ because I use both. All right, so the one thing you need to do before filming a video is video research, right? So helping you with keywords, titles, descriptions, and tags, mainly, right? And the words that you choose, you have to choose it carefully because you want it to be searchable and relatable to other channels so you can be suggested in the YouTube suggestion, right? So what I recommend is a Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. It helps make your YouTube career a lot easier, making videos, editing videos, and when you upload your SEO for your on-page SEO for YouTube, right? SEO is just a fancy term, acronym for search engine optimization. So making sure your title is searchable, making sure your description makes you searchable, make sure your tags, right? And it explores and suggests tags for you under the Tag Explorer. And what about VidIQ? Well, VidIQ is another Chrome extension similar to TubeBuddy, but it also allows you to look at videos for their views per hour, which is velocity. So when I show you how to do my product research or video research method, I use the views per hour, right? See what's trending, so what topic's trending. If you haven't checked tip number 4 about, finding, not reinventing the wheel and finding popular videos to make videos about, I suggest that you actually check it out in our How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020, right? And it's in the playlist here, all right? And yeah, guys, just check the link down below. I'll put the TubeBuddy and VidIQ information and link down below. And yeah, guys, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell, because the next time I upload my video on tip number 6, it's going to be on page SEO, something about adding cards to the future, okay? That's all I have for you today. So stay tuned for the next tip number 6 tomorrow. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.